What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I haven't done a video on YouTube. I got caught up with work, and I had a lot of time in before through COVID-19, but nice and well. I've been riding around a lot, and it's about time that I make a video. I'm gonna try to make some videos more than often because I've been very busy. Today is Monday the 13th, and I'm doing a little review and a project installation on my new intake by Arlen Ness. I'll show you. Here we go. New intake. I've been wanting to get a new intake. I know it's a CVO. People think I'm crazy for changing it, but it's I like to add my own style to it. But here's the product. See, it's a see-through, so you get to see it right through it. All right, so I'm going to do a little installation video on how to put it on, and step by step. See that? Arlen Ness. All right. This is the intake we'll be replacing. It's just a cover, but I think it's a K&N filter, but we're going to be changing this right now. Okay, so I disassembled the stock intake, and I'm about to install the new Arlen Ness. So we are going to tighten this right now. We just attached it. Make sure you use grease, a little grease, to put the O-rings around it. Don't tighten too much right now, just a little bit, because you will be tightening more a little later. Like I said, for you to be able to hold the O-rings, you got to make sure that you put a little grease around the inside O-ring, and then the back, there's an O-ring back there, so you could hold it. All right. There you go. Next step. All right, now we got the screws in there already, so make sure you put these little spacers that they give you just to fill in the holes, and then now we're about to apply the air filter right on top. Okay, so here's the final product. Looks great. Check it out, full view, and how it looks. You got the throttle in there, all cleaned up. Try not to mess with it too much. Make sure you tighten all the screws on it, and use Loctite. For sure, use Loctite, because you don't want anything rattling in there and one of those screws getting loose, and then you're gonna have a screw in your engine. So there's a clear view of how it looks. There you go, the Arlen Ness intake. You can get it on Revzilla or eBay. It's about $400, $400. All right. So there you go, guys. There's your install. Have a good one. Till next time. See you then.